Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door latch in a Bosch dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Torx 20 screwdriver and a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door latch. The door latch holds the door locked, and also it communicates its status to the control board. If the dishwasher door doesn't stay closed or won't open, or the control board reads the door status as open when in reality it's closed, the door latch should be checked and replaced if needed. Open the door. Using the Torx 20 screwdriver, take out the 6 screws on the sides that hold the outer door. Close the door and pull the outer panel down and out to remove it. In case one of the spacers will come off, just put it on. Open the door again and using the Torx 20 screwdriver, take out the 4 screws at the top and the 2 screws on the sides of the door. Now we can remove the control panel. Pull it out, hold it, and using the flat blade screwdriver, remove the plug from the door latch. Using the flat blade screwdriver, bend down the locking tabs on the sides of the door latch. Slide the old door latch out. This is the old door latch next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Slide in the new door latch and push it until it snaps on. Bend up the locking tabs back with the flat blade screwdriver. Connect the wire plug onto the switch. It will go on in only one way. Install the control panel on. And secure the panel with 4 Torx 20 screws on the top and 2 on the sides. Install the door panel. Secured with the 6 Torx 20 screws on the sides. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.